Good morning, students of class 1. Today we have come back to our moral science class. Yes, we have already completed 4 chapters, isn't it, for our first term. Today I am going to start the next chapter, which is the last chapter for our first term. Yes, after that we will start revision. And you have no unit test exam for moral science. So don't be worried. You just go through now. When the dates will be declared for your first term moral science test, then you will be smart enough to do the question answers and sit for the exam. Okay? Okay. The chapter is Gav meets a teacher. She has started to go to school. I have already learned it. Now when he went to school, what happened that day? Gav the bug was off to school. What fun it was to get on a bus. Yes, she was going to school by a bus. She made friends on the bus. Yes, you also do now? Make friends in your class? Yes. Each friend looked different. One was short, one was tall. See the picture? One wore glasses, one wore plates, one knew ABC, all the way to Z. Welcome to school. I am your teacher. When the bus stopped at the school, a big bug stood there, smiling. She looked just like Gav's mother. Yes, when she get down from the bus, she met her teacher. She was just looking like her mother. Teacher took Gav and all the new bugs to the classroom. Then mother-like teacher took all the students with Gav to the classroom. Yes, we do now? Yes. First day when you are joining the school with the teacher, took you to the classroom. Remember that day? Yes. The class looked pretty. It had balloons. Yes, the class was decorated with balloons because it was the first day of the school. I love you, Gav. I love you all. I love you, teacher. Teacher greeted all the students and expresses her love for them, and the students also expresses their love and respect for their teacher. Gav knew her teacher had put up the balloons to make the class happy. Yes, Gav knew that the teacher decorated the classroom with balloons to make the students happy. Yes. What do we learn from this chapter? We learn teachers love you and teach you. Yes, teachers love all the students and teach them carefully. They take the students when they are in the school, and students must listen to their teacher, isn't it? You also do this? Yes. So Gav joined the school and she was very happy at the first day of the school, and the teacher was very nice. She greeted all the students nicely, and she decorated the classroom with balloons and everything, and the students were feeling happy. Where was Gav going? Gav was going to the school. Who welcomed Gav to the school? The class teacher welcomed Gav to the school. Why had the teacher put balloons in the class? The teacher put up balloons in the class to make the students happy. Who takes care of you in school? Teachers take care of the students in school. Teachers take care of the students in school. Yes? Yes. Fill in the blanks. Gub made dash on the bus. Gub made friends on the bus. The bus stopped at the dash school. Friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. School, S-C-H-O-O-L, school. The teacher took Gub to the classroom. C-L-A-S-S, class, R-O-O-M, room, classroom. The teacher had put up balloons in the class. Balloon spelling. What is the spelling of balloon? B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S. Balloons. Gub loved her teacher. T-E-A-C-H, teacher. Yes. So, we have completed this chapter and we have completed the lessons for our first term. We have to color the picture on page 29. And you can make a paper count if you want. So, it's not compulsory. And you have to color this picture. Now we are not in the school, so your parents will help you to color this thing, page 29. Okay. And come to page 28. What is it here? Imagine that you are the teacher. Take the things you have to do. Check the books and notebooks. Yes. Make children finish their lunch. Yes. Help children with art and craft. Yes. Play games with the children. Yes. Teach in class. Yes. Wake up early and get ready for school. No. This is not the duty of the teacher. It will this help your mother. Yes. Check the children's uniform. Yes. It is the duty of the teacher. Sleep in the class. Sometimes after tiffin we may tell the students, down your head, go to sleep. It's not compulsory. Tell story. Yes, teachers also tell story. Watch TV and play computer games. No. In the school there's no TV, so you shouldn't do it. Yes. Things to do. Page number 28, question number D. Let's get to know your teachers better. Complete the sentence. Do it yourself. What is the name of your teacher? Me, Shoma Chakravarti. My name is Shoma Chakravarti. You can write. Or you can write your class teacher's name. She teaches me moral science. Yes, me teaches you moral science. She comes to school by school bus. Yes, no, I am staying in the hostel, so I am coming to school by walking. Her favorite food is what do you like? What do you like? You can put for me. Yes. Her birthday. My birthday is 26 October. I love my teacher because she is very loving. Okay, this much for today. So we have finished our syllabus for the first term. I'll write the question answers for you next day and send it in the assignment. Thank you for today.